Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Anjali and these are the headlines. After months of incomplete sabhas, Kurka Panchayat finally ends a Gram Sabha on a peaceful note. Discuss budget, garbage and water issues. Chief Minister Kejriwal hits out at centre over its ordinance on control of services in national capital. BJP calls Kejriwal an ill-mannered Nawab in a counter-offensive. Relief for Goa as monsoons finally arrive in the state. Yellow alert issued for Monday. And now for the news in detail. After two adjourned Gram Sabhas due to tense arguments between the Panchayat and locals, the Kurka Gram Sabha held finally ended without any disturbance. A sizable police force was deployed at the Panchayat to maintain calm in case of any untoward incident. The major decision during today's Gram Sabha was the passing of the budget without any approval.
The budget of the Kurka Panchayat had been passed with much hush during its last meeting prior to being abruptly adjourned. With a change in leadership, the new Sarpanch said that the budget issue will be discussed in a special meeting in a month's time.
आज कुडका village पंचायतीची ग्राम सभा झाली. It was a good ग्राम सभा with all cooperation of all the village people and everyone. आणि budgetak lagun we will have a special ग्राम सभा. Already we have declared that we will hold a special ग्राम सभा for that in a month or near to that. आणि main issue is a scarcity in all the wards. So teka lagun we will discuss this in the special meeting and take necessary action and make provision that no problem villagers face karta for the several months now. I will try my best keep water scarcity issue खूप प्रमाणात कमी जावपाक I will try my best. आणि अजून एक आमच्या मेंबरान डॉक्टर संजय कोरगावकर ताणी सजेशन दिला की what are the provisions that we can make to increase the water supply. So तोवूय आमी कन्सिडर करतले and we will discuss this in the special ग्राम सभा.
एक इश्यू म्हणपाचो तो बजेटाचो आसलो. बजेट हे सरपंचान प्लेसूच करूंक ना आनी प्लेस करना आसतना तिणे एप्रूव केल्लो. जेन्ना आमी सरपंचाक विचारले अंडर सेक्शन 6 ऑफ सब सेक्शन 1C अंडर ग्रामसभा कित्याक प्लेस करूंक ना तिका रिप्लाय ना जाल्यार आनी आमी त्या ऑब्जर्वराकूय इन्फॉर्म केले ते रिपोर्ट दी म्हणून की व्हिडिओ हेज्या बाबतींत. तेज्या उपरांत खूब डिस्कशना उपरांत आमी एक स्पेशल ग्रामसभा मिटिंगे खातीर तिका एप्रोच केले. तियेन आतां सद्या पयलीं ओके म्हटला. ती नेक्स्ट डे इन्फॉर्म केली.
Another issue raised by members was the garbage tax in the village.
टॅक्स आले गार्बेज टॅक्साचेर जे गार्बेज टॅक्स कलेक्शन आहा तेजेर खूब इश्यू आहा कुर्का पंचायतीन. कित्याक कुर्का पंचायतीन 6 गव्हर्मेंट क्वॉर्टर्स येता. GMC क्वॉर्टर्स, डिफेन्स क्वॉर्टर्स, ISPW क्वॉर्टर्स, ऑल इंडिया रेडिओ, BSNL, CPCW हे क्वॉर्टर्स येता. इंचे टॅक्सेशन पंचायत करिना आहले कलेक्ट आनी ते कलेक्ट करपाक तिंका टायम जावं खंय ते खातीर ते थोडे सर्टन लोकांचे जे विलेजर आहले तिंचेच कलेक्शन करता. तेवूय आमी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडला.
Locals also raised the issue of major residential projects being granted permission in the village despite facing scarcity of water and lacking road infrastructure.
बाबा तुम्ही कन्स्ट्रक्शनाक बॅन करची, लायसनां दिवची न्हू. मागीर सेकंड थिंग हांवें म्हणलां आमकां वॉटर क्रायसीस जाता. आमकां 2 वरां उदीक येता. 2 वरां उदीक एक टायम आमकां 3 दीस 4 दीस उदीकूच नासना. चड आमकां हॉटेलांक तेका परमिशनां कित्याकूच दिवपाची न्हू. तिंका ते एक सजेशन प्रपोजल केलां हांवें. आनी सेकंड थिंग म्हणल्यार आमचे रोड नासतना ती कन्स्ट्रक्शनां जाता. जे मिटर जे प्रमाणे 10 मिटराच्या प्रमाणे ती कन्स्ट्रक्शनां येवपाक जाय. पूण आमचे पळोवंक गेल्यार कुडका विलेजीन 10 मिटर रोडूच जायना. पूण कन्स्ट्रक्शन एक ह्यूज येता. जाय की मशरूम खंय सारकी वाडटा कन्स्ट्रक्शन. आमची NOC दीत रावता तिंका. आनी अशें सांगता की जेन्ना आमी तिंका कंप्लेनी घेवन गेले जाल्यार आमकां सांगता ती तुमी हें आमकां TCP कडच्यान टॅक्निकल क्लियरन्स येयला म्हणून ती लायसनां आमकां 30 डेजा भितर तिंका मागीर NOC दिवचेच पडटा म्हणून.
Much to everyone's relief, the Kurka Gram Sabha held today went on smoothly without any interruptions or fights. This is what the Sarpanch and members had to say on the functioning of the Sabha today.
We need the cooperation. Every time बोवाळ जाता. So आता आयज काय बरी ग्राम सभा जाली. Gram Sabha is for the people and I am there to cooperate. But every time it was mess, it was chaos. कोणाक मारता, कितें जाता, रक्ता व्हांवता. That shouldn't happen. So अशें जर कॉपरेशन जाय तर ग्राम सभा कित्याक डिले जातली. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
आमचे कॉपरेशन सदांच आसता पंचायती. इश्यू कितें आसता ते सर्टन साम लोक आसता बॅकग्रावंडान ते इन्वॉल्व जाता चडशे ते पंचायत आमची कितें आहा ऑलवेज फुडें आसता करपाक कितें इशू घेवपाक पूण सर्टन लोक आसता जे तेंचे फॅमिली जावं ना कोणूय जावं ते स्टॉप करता तिंका लागून आमकां प्रॉब्लम जाता डिस्कशनाक आनी आमचे आर्ग्युमेंट जाता त्या खातीर ती खूब पेंडींग उरता आतां नियरली 6 का 7 मंथा फाटल्यान हें केलां आनी सरपंचा कडेन आन्सर नाहलो की ग्रामसभा कित्याक घेवना ती सांगता आमी की फॉल्स एलिगेशन केला ती कोणा पंच मेंबराची फॉल्स एलिगेशन जावना एलिगेशनां जाला ती पयलीं लोकांच्या मदीं आनी तिंचे एक्स मेंबर जे पण एक्स मेंबर आहा तिंच्या भितर आर्ग्युमेंट जाले आनी ती मॅटर आहा ती सबज्युडायज आहा.
Vincent Rosario, Subhashish Govekar and Manisha Jadhav for Guwahati 65.
The Lotli Gram Sabha held today saw major discussions on house and trade tax in the village. It was also resolved the regional plan should be continued and not scrapped and instead errors be rectified. Here's more.
Following the Gram Sabha, Panchayat Secretary Ahmed Zaveri said that house tax in village had not been assessed since the early 2000s. As such, it has been decided that house and trade tax in the village be reassessed. Listen.
Reassessment of house tax कितलेशे वर्सां जावना. Trade tax जो बसयलो 2500 तो something from 2000 years back 2000 कितें तेच्या पयलीं जाल्लो सो कितें केन्ना reassessment जावना. And now we decided to appoint an engineer or any technical engineer who will conduct the survey of all the sheds, dockyards, and then he will put up the report. Baba itli amki area, and accordingly we will decide how much to put the charges of them.
Because from 2021 till date, industrial area चे कोणी tax आजूबाजू charge करू ना. त्याचे किती मुळबा तुमका?
For industrial area, I had written all the letter to GSIDC to submit the first data. Whatever the registered construction license they have and the occupancy certificate they have issued to all the industries. Plus, we are conducting joint site inspection with the GSIDC as some Gram Sabha members stated that some of the factories are not registered in the GSIDC. So we will verify that through that inspection, joint inspection. And Sarpanch also is positive and she will fix a joint meeting with GSIDC chairman to obtain all this data and to get what the tax they have imposed. We will claim that amount, whatever in the treasury of the GSIDC.
It was also decided at the Gram Sabha that the regional plan not to be scrapped and instead errors to be rectified. The Panchayat, upon the proposal by the former Sarpanch, agreed to meet the TCP Minister and Chief Town Plan over the issue.
रिजनल प्लॅनाचे बाब झेवियरान आमकां हे केला एक प्रपोजल दिला की रिजनल प्लॅन स्क्रॅप करचो न्ही एंड दॅट इज वी टूक द रेजोल्युशन एंड वी विल फॉरवर्ड टू द टीसीपी मिनिस्टर एंड चीफ टाउन प्लॅनर.
आयज आमची लोटलीची ग्रामसभा आसली आनी ग्रामसभे आयज जायते इश्यू डिस्कस जाल्यात आनी तितली एक इश्यू म्हणल्यार आरपी जो आमचो टीसीपी मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे आसल्याने स्क्रॅप करपाक गेला. सो आमी हो स्टेटमेंट एक भशेन कंडेम कोत्ताय आनी दर एक गांवांत आरपी आसचो ही आमची सरकाराक मागणी. पूण जे गांवचे रिजनल प्लॅन आहाय आनी जे रिजनल प्लॅनाचे एरर आहाय ते गव्हर्मेंटान रेक्टिफाय करचे कित्याक आमच्या गांवचे दोन आरपी प्लॅन रेडी जाल्ले. एक विलेजीसांय आरपी आहलो आनी एक पंचायत आरपी आहलो. सो ह्या दोन्ही आरपी मदें जायत डिफरन्स आहा. म्हणटूच आमगेली मागणी सरकाराक आरपी दर एक गांवचो आसचो आनी आरपी आसूं चड गरजेचें कित्याक फाल्यां तर आरपी ना हुंय कितें कंस्ट्रक्शन जातलें हुंय इंडस्ट्री आसतल्यो हुंयचो जोन सेटलमेंट आसतलो हुंयच तुगेलो नॉन सेटलमेंट आसतलो हें कोणाक कांय कळपाना. आमगे घरां आहाय थिंगा गोडे इंडस्ट्रीज जातल्यो हाजनां आहाय थिंगा गोडे आनी घरां जातलीं हें सगळें मॅस जातलें. सो आमची डिमांड सरकाराकूय की आरपी दवरचो पूण मिस्टेक्स आहाय त्यो रेक्टिफाय करच्यो. Xavier Fernandes.
Sandeep Tiwekar, Subhashish Govekar and Omkar Deshprabhu for Guwahati 65.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Sunday hit out at the centre over its ordinance on control of services in the national capital, saying Delhi is the first to be attacked and similar ordinances will also be brought for other states. Kejriwal was addressing the Aam Aadmi Party's Maha Rally at the Ramlila Maidan in Delhi.
The rally was motivated by the ordinance which is aimed at taking away constitutionally sanctioned control over bureaucrats by the elected government. In other words, the ordinance is set to establish the regime of the will of the unelected in the national capital of the largest democracy. Lok Sabha member Kapil Sibal was also in attendance for the rally along with Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann.
19 मई को एक अध्यादेश जारी कर दिया। उस अध्यादेश के अंतर्गत इन्होंने कहा कि चाहे जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा हो, जो सुप्रीम को कहा हो, हम जो नेशनल कैपिटल टेरिटरी ऑफ दिल्ली का जो एक्ट है 1991 का, उसमें संशोधन करते हैं और उसके अंतर्गत हम एक कमेटी का गठन बनाते हैं। एक कमेटी में कौन होगा? एक तो मुख्यमंत्री जी चेयरमैन होंगे, उसके साथ प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी होम होंगे और उसके साथ चीफ सेक्रेटरी होंगे, और साथ में कानून में यह कह दिया कि जो फैसले होंगे अगर आम सहमति से नहीं होते तो मेजॉरिटी से फैसले होंगे, और अगर मेजॉरिटी से फैसले होंगे तो दो तो वहां ब्यूरोक्रेट हैं, एक प्रिंसिपल होम सेक्रेटरी और एक चीफ सेक्रेटरी। वो किसके ब्यूरोक्रेट हैं? वो केंद्र सरकार के ब्यूरोक्रेट हैं। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि दो लोग जो इस कमेटी में शामिल हैं, उनका फैसला चुनी हुई सरकार के खिलाफ भी हो सकता है। मतलब कि आप मुख्यमंत्री जी की तौहीन कर रहे हो। अगर मुख्यमंत्री जी का फैसला नहीं चलने वाला तो फिर इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि ब्यूरोक्रेसी ही दिल्ली चलाएगी।
Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal meanwhile urged opposition parties from across the country to stop such moves by the union government before such ordinances are enforced upon them. Listen.
और मैं पूरे देश के लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूं, ये मत सोचना कि यह केवल दिल्ली वालों के साथ हुआ है। मुझे अंदर से पता चला ये मोदी जी का पहला वार है। ऐसा ही अध्यादेश, जो अध्यादेश आज दिल्ली में पारित किया गया, जिस अध्यादेश के जरिए दिल्ली वालों की ताकत खत्म कर दी गई, इस अध्यादेश के जरिए, जिस अध्यादेश के जरिए दिल्ली के अंदर आज तानाशाही लागू की जा रही है, कल यही अध्यादेश राजस्थान के लिए लाया जाएगा, कल यही अध्यादेश पंजाब के लिए लाया जाएगा, कल यही अध्यादेश मध्य प्रदेश के लिए लाया जाएगा, कल यही अध्यादेश महाराष्ट्र के लिए लाया जाएगा। इसे अभी रोकना पड़ेगा, सबको मिलकर अभी रोकना पड़ेगा दोस्तों।
The Bharatiya Janata Party, in an answer to the rally, mounted an attack on Kejriwal, calling him an ill-mannered Nawab. Arvind Kejriwal is corrupt and useless. The language he has used today is of very low standard, said Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva. Meanwhile, BJP MP Manoj Tiwari called the Delhi CM a political tourist and said that he asked for votes from Delhi to travel the other states.
आज दोपहर को जो सुना, और मैं चूंकि मूलतः दिल्ली वाला हूं, मेरी पैदाइश दिल्ली की है, तो आज दिल्ली वाले बेहद शर्मिंदा महसूस कर रहे हैं। श्रीमान अरविंद केजरीवाल घटिया इंसान है, निकम्मे इंसान है, भ्रष्टाचारी हैं, नाकारा हैं, ये सब उपमाएं उनको मिलती रही हैं। लेकिन जिस भाषा का प्रयोग उन्होंने आज किया है, वो उनके छिछोरेपन को दिखाता है। जिस भाषा का उन्होंने प्रयोग किया है, उसे सुनकर छिछोरापन भी शर्मिंदा हो जाए, उस निचले स्तर तक केजरीवाल गए। अपने भ्रष्टाचार, अपने झूठ को छुपाने के लिए आप कुछ भी अनाप शनाप बोलेंगे और दिल्ली वाले सुनेंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे पास 100 मनीष सिसोदिया और 100 सत्येंद्र जैन है, तो इसका मतलब भ्रष्टाचार की गंगा पूरी पार्टी में बह रही है।
Subhashish Govekar and Shivani Sangilkar for Goa 365.
The Dwarka Gram Sabha held today resolved to deny permission to any scrap yard in the village. While the resolution was passed, some questioned where all the scrap from the village would end up and demanded that a proper solution be found instead. Watch this.
So better we take a resolution now that we decide, the villagers of Varka with the Panchayat decide that there be no permission granted to any scrap yard. That's it. Support this resolution. Government of Goa, it should hold places in remote areas where the scrap can be dumped. It should not be in villages. And we should not be in cities. Okay, so you are not the only person who is only reading. Please have a say. Let me talk. Okay, you have a right to talk, but let me finish before I start laughing. Okay, let me finish before I start laughing.
इश्यू जाला
आज आमचो एक इश्यू आसलो स्क्रॅप यार्डाचो आनी आमी डिसायड केला पंचायता वरवीं की आमचे विलेजीन स्क्रॅप यार्ड नाका म्हणून आनी आमी पॉलिसी गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं मागताय ह्यो सगळी स्क्रॅप यार्ड आसा ती एक आयसोलेटेड प्लेसीस नॉट ए रेसिडेन्शियल हिंगासर लागू दिवपाक जायना जशें इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट कित्याक स्क्रॅप यार्डान जायते भाशेन स्क्रॅप यार्ड आसता त्या स्क्रॅप आहा ते मनीस त्यो फ्रिजी घेताय ते सामान घेताय आनी मागीर प्लास्टीक आहा ते लासताय फ्रीज गेली म्हणून फिटींग भितर फ्री ऑन गॅस आसता फ्रीज कंप्रेसर खावपाक जाय म्हणून तो गॅस सोडटाय गॅस सोडलो म्हणटच आमचे
एरा वयता आनी लोकां त्रास जाता
देर इज ओझोन लेयर डॅमेज जाता आनी सन रेज they enter and they damage by giving cancer to skin cancer. Okay. So that is why this scrap yards must be taken to isolated place that there are no residents and they should be properly monitored that they don't burn the foam, they don't burn the plastic, they don't leave the gas of the fridges. So I think it was a good end of the day. It was a good decision by the Gram Sabha and everybody appreciates it.
So electricity एक issue इल्ला आणि scrap yardaचो. Scrap yard आमगे वारका ना. So आणि लोकांन आमका request केला आणि आमगे वारका नाक ना.
Many parts of South Goa have been seeing long power cuts over the past few days. Frustrated with the erratic supply, locals have demanded that service be restored to normal as soon as possible. Yes, what the Sarpanch had to say on the issue.
Electricity department आमते आता underground cabling ट्राय करतली आणि लाईक आम एकात आपयतली जे सगळे कोण डिपार्टमेंट आहे ते आपयतली आणि गांवकरांक घेऊन मीटिंग करतली.
Ramesh Naik Raut, Subhashish Govekar and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. In sweet relief for Goans, monsoons have finally hit the state after a delay of 6 days. The northern limit of the monsoon now hovers over Ratnagiri and conditions are favourable for its further enhancements. IMD has issued a yellow alert for the state on the 12th, that is Monday. Here's more on the weather.
The presence of cyclone Biparjoy over the Arabian Sea delayed the monsoon by about a week along the country's west coast. However, the monsoon has finally made its way to Goa and will continue its advance towards Maharashtra. While yesterday had heavy rainfall in some areas, today saw a much calmer climate. IMD has issued a yellow alert for tomorrow, that is Monday, owing to chances of moderate rainfall in many places. The state is also likely to see gusting winds. The public has been advised against visiting seashores in view prevailing rough sea condition. Monsoons arrive in the state. Moderate rainfall likely on Monday. Yellow alerts raised for Monday. Gusting winds likely to prevail. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Monday 31 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively. Cyclone Biparjoy meanwhile is expected to make its way to the Gujarat East Pakistan coastline. The cyclone has intensified from severe to extremely severe with winds expected to reach 140 to 150 kilometers per hour. The cyclone is currently hovering about 500 kilometers away from Mumbai and 400 kilometers southwest to Porbandar. Bureau report Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube Goa 365 TV. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.